Sometimes when I got
Oh, we're
BS
live.
clients,
Cool.
I literally just can't be fucked and all.
Yo.
Sometimes when I got
Oh, we're
BS
live.
clients,
Oh, sweet. Mike's open.
it starts with me saying I got BS clients.
That's funny. Let's change. What should I make the title? Vibe. The titling is vibe coding until I make 100k current revenue. It's actually made more now. So let's have a look what we're on. We are 1.47. So that's 6.8. Solana. $1,300. So just gonna change that real quick. 12. Until I'm gonna say we make. Maybe that'll make more people join. Alright. 0 viewers so far. Let's go.
When people start, they start from just where it's up to. They don't go back to the start, right? Of the stream.
Yeah, they just start where it's up to, yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, even the what's annoying is like YouTube now has a function where you can find it through the shorts, and so it automatically resizes. But it's like you gotta move this a little
to like fit.
But then it looks weird on computer.
You'd think people that are watching live stream
Are on computer, right?
are at least sideways.
That's true.
So I don't think you gotta like.
But I feel like it's like discoverability though.
I say that.
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. You can just move around so easily.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good enough. Okay. Yeah, dude. Get his freaking app live, man. All mine is actually doing pretty well right now. It's like back to doing like $20 to $50 a day. What's really interesting I've noticed is like with live streams, the more you talk, the more likely you are to get like discovered. So
it's like if you're active and engaged,
yeah,
they'll put it higher in the algorithm.
So it's almost like you're
we're gonna be talking heaps anyway. I think when you're by yourself, it's harder to just talk to nothing.
Yeah, exactly. So I noticed like there's almost an incentive to just keep talking,
just blabbering.
Even if you like got nothing to say. It's weird, and it makes sense now why the live streamers talk the way that they do.
Right, they're just constantly talking while they're doing stuff.
Yeah.
Even that's something you gotta like learn. You gotta pick up that skill because it'd be annoying.
Nah, it is. If I keep this screen on, the chat's not working. Let's see, test. No, it's working, man. Working? Yeah, this is working. I don't need to copy that, do I? Okay. Cool. We are good. I kind of like putting some music in the background as well. different wallet. Yeah. 0.0. See if this works. Does that work? Look at this. They've actually updated Replit. It looks a bit different. Alright, we got 2 views.
2 viewers?
No, they came in and left already. We need a chatter.
We need a what?
We need a chatter. 3 views now.
Chatter?
Yeah.
As in talk?
Yeah, someone that comes and talks. Because then if they talk...
As in type in the chat or actually talk?
Like talk in the chat, yeah. I
Then
think you can actually get the talking feature as well. I don't know how to set it up though.
That's wild, dude.
Yeah, that is pretty crazy actually. 3 views now. It's cool because like it says average view duration and it's usually a minute. Dude, you get a minute. You try to get a minute on a video that you make as average view duration. It's hard. Like average view duration is like 30 seconds usually on my videos. So people seem to be a lot more patient for live streams, which is interesting.
Okay. Well, it's kind of like a background watch.
Yeah, exactly.
Normally people aren't like actively.
Yeah, they keep it on in the background while they work. Man, winning that 850 on the Jake Paul versus thing fight, dude, paid for everyone's Christmas presents. It's a pretty good. Felt good, man. Oh shit. Shit. That sounds weird. Yeah, it does. Get rid of it there. I feel like a pro when I do shit like this.
When what?
When I do shit like this.
Like live stream?
Yeah, like I'm adding a song into the background of the live stream.
Song too. Turn it down there.
Yeah, it's not meant to actually play. How do I do this? Shit, I forgot how to do it. Yo, we got a viewer. Concurrent viewer right now.
What up, viewer?
Yo, what up, viewer? How you doing? Alright, let's see if this works. Now. Oh, so it looks like it did actually take money out of the account. But it didn't send. Yo, Sean Mio, how you doing, bro? What's going on?
Oh, it gives you the name of every...
It says it like here when they chat. Can I put like the... it doesn't work. What you vibe coding, man? What's the project that you're working on? I'm trying to build a prediction market swipe application. It's not going too smoothly right now. Withdrawals aren't working. Wait, is it because I have the wrong wallet, dude? Getting these errors even though wallet withdrawal says approved. Please debug. Let's see what the issue is. Out at this party, I'm with the gang. It's gonna be a robbery, so tuck your chin. Kill girl, I'm sorry, but I can change. I'm aiming for your body, shots at your brain. We come from poverty, yo, we don't mean a thing. There's a lot of animosity.
I'm fully here.
I'm just working on debugging this shit.
So the first thing I wanted to do is translate all the whiteboard stuff
Oh yeah?
into like a set of Notion docs. Just so we got a plan we can look at. And be
Yeah.
like, that's what's happening.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna do that.
Alright.
A little bit.
Cool, you got the photos and stuff?
Yeah. Can I turn this aircon?
It's like, honestly, it's at the max. Like, you can look, it's on 17.
Oh shit.
I don't know, like how, it just gets really hot in here.
Mm.
And I had the window open all of yesterday. Like, it actually gets really hot in here. I think it's the top. I think it's the top apartment because when I was at Jess's yesterday, it was like the top.
The heat
was
I'm
hot as well.
blasting it.
Yeah.
You
So-
think the way this is built, it would be
A bit more.
pretty cool when it's like all cement and stuff.
Yeah. Right.
You might have to get like
A fan.
Dude, it's 21 right now. It should not be this hot.
It's hotter in here than outside. I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure. Yeah.
It's 21.
I don't know what to do. It could be that. You know?
Dude, when it's 21, I feel like all your windows should be open.
Nah, but it's
cooler
like
air outside.
nah. I checked and it wasn't. It was hot. But when I came in here, all of yesterday, the windows were open. All around the house. I came into a really hot apartment.
Dude, it feels like it's 30 degrees in here. And it's 20.
Dude, it's
How,
hot.
the other day it was 37 degrees. How the fuck did you live in here?
I don't
It
know.
would have been like 45.
It was so hot, yeah. I know.
Fuck, that's funny.
I know. Let's go.
It's like all these little things you find out only after you move in.
I know. It's like the top floor sounds nice. I mean, the thing is, if I had a balcony, you have a nice big door that you can open.
Mm.
But yeah, I don't know. Jess says she faces the same issues, so let's see if this works. I improved the wallet detection, added better logging. Can you try withdrawing again and tell me if the error changes? If it still fails, open browser console F12 so I can see the detailed logs. Okay. Let's try this again. 0.08. Transaction complete. Withdrawal failed. And then I get withdrawal failed. Screenshot that. Withdrawal failed. Please review the error message and debug. What did the error message say? Failed to get signature status, invalid params, invalid type map, expected a string. There's a one animosity. Yo, we had 3 people viewing at the same time.
Fuck, we're famous.
Swap failed, no Solana wallet connected. It received an object and service string. Try withdrawing again. Does it work now? Alright. The main issue is actually to get it to withdraw. Oh, withdrawal successful. What?
Yeah, when it's ready, are we able to send it to the Seeker as like a test app?
Yep.
Like that no one else can download it, we just
Yeah.
play? Cool.
You just upload it as a Google Drive link.
Yep.
You can just download it that way. Did you bring your Seeker? Oh, nice. You know, you hear that they're gonna stop doing updates for the Saga.
Everyone's fucking raging.
But it's in the contract though, right? Like
Is
they
it?
said something about them not doing updates after 2 years or something. Like it would have been written somewhere. There's no way they can just announce it.
Thing is, it wouldn't have been communicated well enough because
Yeah, they're pretty like
It-
poorly managed in the
yeah.
Discord and stuff.
it fucks the sentiment, you know,
Yeah.
because they're selling it as a hardware wallet.
That's true.
It's supposed to last for
It's a good point.
a long time. So now that means it's not even like secure anymore.
Yeah, that's so true.
Right? And then what does that make people think of the Seeker?
Yeah, true. Are they gonna do the same thing?
It's fucking stupid.
Usually, I think the cutoff is usually 5 years. 5 years is standard. Like Samsung and Apple and stuff do that. Yeah.
They should at least launch the Seeker token.
And then do
Given
it.
a bunch
I
to
know.
like the Saga people as well.
Yeah.
Right?
So they're
And
happy.
then like give it 6 months and then
Yeah. Nah, there's so many
Fucking
issues.
idiots.
They actually got a lot of poor management. You
The
know
same
what?
as Dupe. They both got like bad
I know.
PR and marketing.
Yeah, what actually put me off the Seeker is
Yeah.
when I was farming it really hard, the freaking circles that don't fill up properly. So like I would try really hard at the start of the week.
It's so vague, right? Like I was using it and then that little dashboard, you don't even know really what you're doing. And I don't know
Yeah.
if they've intentionally made it vague or
Yeah,
whatever.
dude,
It's actually
annoying.
demotivating.
Dude, well, what's even more demotivating is when they have an airdrop system that you try to farm, and you've spent way more than you should to like fill the circles, and it doesn't pick up you being on the App Store or anything. Like, dude, one day I had like this much of the circle left. It was like 1/10 of the circle left, right? And so I was like, just before I go to sleep, I'll just chill in the App Store. I spent 30 minutes on this App Store. The circle didn't fill up at all. Like, there's something broken with the circles to the point where I just gave up on farming it because I was like, when I'm putting this much time into it, it's not even working. Like, you know? And so many people had that complaint in the Discord. So I reckon that a lot of people would have stopped farming because, yeah, average view duration went up to 2 minutes and 48 seconds. Probably thanks to Sean.
Sean
the sheep.
Sean Combs, P. Diddy. Yeah, I've seen the first 2 eps of the doco.
The Tupac and Biggie one's crazy, hey?
Crazy.
Yeah, that's insane.
Dude, growing up for me, Tupac and Biggie was like the big unknown, like what the fuck happened there, you know?
Yeah, right? So I never even knew Diddy was even connected at all. Like, I didn't know Notorious was signed to Diddy.
Yeah, they're all connected.
Dude, right?
So much shit made sense after that. Dude, the whole East Side, West Side thing.
Yeah, dude. And people also thinking, because Justin Bieber was under Diddy's wing for a little bit.
Yeah.
And he's pretty fucked up. Like, mentally, he's pretty fucked up.
Yeah. You can tell just from the ways.
So people are thinking, like, some shit happened there.
Dude.
Yeah.
Dude, there was a time where he...
Yo, what up, Drew? How you doing?
A week. I think he spent a week with Diddy producing music.
You never know what happened.
Yeah.
Yo, Drew, this is my brother, by the way. Drew was on the last live stream. He basically kept me company the whole time.
Damn, #1 fan.
Yeah.
Sup, Drew?
He actually helped me find try Gemini and like switch between Gemini and Replit.
Have you tried Gemini yet?
Yeah, I have. I've got it right here.
I'm fucking living out of Gemini.
Yeah.
It's the best shit.
Nah, it's pretty good.
I feel like these whiteboard photos you sent me, we've like missed a bunch of shit. We took so many like...
No, I think the main stuff we took though.
I mean, we got some.
We got the main stuff.
I'll try and convert all this. Let's see.
I mean, what are you trying to convert it into as well? Are you trying to do like a formula, like step 1, step 2, step 3 kind of thing, or?
I just want to get all of this, because this is all just like scribble and brainstorm, right?
Yeah.
And I want to get this like in the same way we created that agreement, and it's like, cool, we know what the fuck is going on. I want to turn this into that.
Okay.
So a set of like documents we can all just look at, and then that'll also be the start of the white paper.
Okay.
Because until we have stuff actually properly written down, thoughts articulated.
Yeah, you're right.
It's just vague. It's just like, oh, we had a dot point there. That's the plan.
No, that's a good point.
One dot point on a whiteboard is our whole plan.
Yeah.
Right? Like.
No, you're right.
That
I mean, I think my phone's camera, but I sent you. Let me see what I sent you. Let's go.
So we got this. We got the. I think off the core ideas, I think I can.
Even launch ICO, it's like, what do we need for it? Validation strat.
Yeah. But there's enough here for me to, like...
I'm pretty sure I sent you like 6. See, this is definitely important.
No, you only...
This is the structure.
We already covered that. That's the same thing.
Structure.
So I've only got 2.
No, you should have 6.
No, the rest are just photos of your fucking run rate. Your runway.
No.
You send me this?
Okay.
Structure?
Yeah.
Again, structure. Your runway, and then these.
I think you do my runway.
And then these 2 are the only useful.
No way.
That's it.
Oh, what the hell? Did you take any? I swear you took some as well. I remember you taking photos.
I checked.
I think you got 1 or 2. I saw you take photos.
Mine are the fucking same. Core ideas.
Well, right? I think what we did is at the end we summarized everything. Yeah.
So I'll just go off that.
Yeah.
But that means, each of these needs to be fleshed out a bit.
Yeah, yo. What up? all the new viewers coming in. We got 3 now.
Fuck.
Yeah. I wanted to put background music on, but I was messing up with the mic. What I had last time was I had the headphones on, so they couldn't hear the background music through the mic.
Oh yeah.
But yeah.
Oh, is it like echoing and stuff?
It echoes, yeah.
Yeah.
But it's kind of like a bit of a hack, because if you're not monetized on YouTube, they don't like usually what happens is if you are monetized on YouTube and you're playing music that's copyrighted, they actually limit your like reach. But because I'm not monetized, it's said specifically because I'm not monetized, they're not going to limit my reach.
Okay.
So it's almost like you get like a little bit of a perk.
A little free boost. And that's fair actually, because like music licensing, if
Yeah.
you're using it commercially,
Makes sense. Yeah.
you got to pay for
Yeah,
it.
true.
But if it's free,
So I guess that's
you're
the
allowed
line
to,
of like commercial. Yeah, true.
That's funny.
I wonder if ads get sent through my live stream that I just don't get.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'd be interesting. It'd be really interesting actually. I like taking note of the subscriber count before I start. It helps me gauge like how well the stream went. So if I just pull that up, we are currently on 1148 subscribers. So maybe we should set a goal for 160.
At 160, I'll suck my brother up.
Dude, we should do subscriber count.
As a gaze.
Every 10 subscribers, we start stripping, like take our shirts off and shit.
Gaze.
Bro, they'd love that, bro. How's the predictive market Tinder going? Yeah, it's going good, bro. Just trying to fix withdrawals at the moment. But yeah, it's coming along. Gonna try and launch it this week, actually. I think we should be able to. It's really just debugging at this point. We want to actually add an additional feature where we add like a fourth kind of tab here, where it's a discovery tab, because we actually found that there is a little bit of a gap in the market when it comes to predictive market apps on your phone, especially within the Solana mobile phone dApp store that I was talking about last live stream. So we're going to add that as an extra page, and I think that can also, you know, incentivize people trading on our app, whether they want to use the swipe tool or they just want to search up a prediction market that they want to bet on, you know. What about you? How's your app going? How's the agency going?
Someone say agency?
Yeah, Drew runs a website agency in London or UK or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he showed me his website. It looks really cool.
Can I say it?
What was it, Drew? It was something. What was your website called?
You should show Drew mine.
Yeah, Drew, check out. So my brother runs an agency as well. It's called What Works, and he does a bit more than websites. So he does like anything from like software development, design, all that sort of stuff. It's pretty cool. He's worked with some pretty big names. He's got like you got government contracts and stuff. Yeah. He's got this one guy on his team who's like a lawyer, and he used to manage like millions of dollars in government contracts. But they've worked with some pretty big names. Yeah, I used to actually work out of their office. But yeah, check out his website. It's called massivewebteam.co.uk.
We actually, for What Works, set up a
This is his website.
.co.uk
Oh yeah.
as well. because we had one of our staff move to the UK.
It has to be a .co.uk. It can't just be .uk or something. Oh, I guess it's .com.au here.
Yeah, it's .co.uk there.
But this is his website.
Websites at work. Isn't that funny? The top message.
Which one?
Websites at work.
And then
like
it's what works.
Yeah, like that's kind of part of our positioning.
But it was pretty cool. I was telling Drew about the success with Ore Miner. This is pretty cool.
Development, yeah.
He said he did like 5 years as like a front end developer.
Yeah.
And
you go services.
He actually wanted to collab and see if there was a way that we could build something together.
Oh, you already on there? Oh no, web design development guy. Instead performance support and hosting. Cool. Just nice, clean.
Yeah, it's a nice website.
You know?
It's very clean, loads quickly.
I feel like if there's no about or team page, it makes it seem like maybe it's a smaller company than it might actually be.
I mean, you don't have an about or team page.
We're actually about to add one. Yeah. To be fair though, we've just been, and this is like the dilemma, right? You're just so fucking busy.
Yeah.
You don't have any time to do your own stuff.
Yeah.
But once we add our about and team page, I think people will start to realize also that we're actually pretty big team, pretty capable.
Yeah.
All that sort of stuff.
Yeah, because even when I was going on there to fill out my resume, I couldn't even find the team section or anything to find a photo of you guys.
Yeah. We, last week, I told you we flew the whole team in. We did like a big photo shoot.
Oh, nice.
So we're going to have like heaps of content. So all that is actually, I think maybe we've been waiting for that to put out that page until we did this.
Yeah,
so,
okay.
Yeah.
That'd be good.
It's cute though.
Did also go away and take a look at the ore mining thing and made a little project out of it. Oh yeah? What are you working on, Drew? Stealing my idea again. I'm joking. It's a joke. Alright, let's actually see if a trade works now. No, it's not what connected as. Okay, sign in is working. Now, if I try to withdraw, insufficient balance. Wait, that means it worked. No. The hell? This is insufficient balance. It says withdrawal successful, but then it's not working. I want to apply machine learning to the problem somehow, so my friend's making a network for it. Won't send to you for some reason. Yeah, easy. Shoot it through. I'll have a look, bro. It says withdrawal successful, but nothing is being sent to my wallet, and the balance remains the same. put your own tier, the same email address that the funds are already in. You're sending solely to yourself, which is what it does. Then you should enter. Okay. It shouldn't connect that wallet. Okay. The withdrawal, the default withdrawal wallet should be the one.
I just did some quick maths.
Not the one. Hold up. That not the embedded wallet, but the personal wallet used to connect the app. Yeah.
Just did some quick maths. Basically, you know how we talked about that, using like the treasury yield to cover our costs.
Yeah.
Basically, if both of us were able to commit 240k each AUD,
Okay.
that would cover basically all our operational costs in terms of like MVP minimum of like you full time working on it plus a little bit of like buffer for tech and stuff like that.
Okay. What's the at a what percentage yield?
15%.
15% yield. Do you reckon we could get 15%? How much is that yearly?
What? Basically, it's 6k a month.
That's heaps.
6k Aussie. So 240k each would yield 6k Aussie a month. You know how we talked about your rate and all of that?
Yeah.
So that would basically
As
be
in,
like,
yeah, okay.
like full time you could operate.
Yeah.
As just like a starting point. But
So that's like, if we need to get to that level.
basically, I think we should just make, because if it's 240, we're talking 480. I think we should just aim for like $500,000.
$500,000 in the ICO is what you're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or whether it's ICO or we contribute.
Right.
Because the
I
alternative
think it can
is,
be a
I'm
mixture.
hearing obviously 2026 is going to be pretty juicy.
Ideally.
And if at peak we both pull out a bit of cash, you know, we might not even need an ICO. Like we could just fund it ourselves.
I mean, hopefully, yeah. My crypto's looking not great right now. Like, it's the lowest it's ever been, like my entire portfolio. Lowest since...
I'm not surprised.
Lowest since early last year, I reckon. Yeah. Yo, we've already been live streaming for 40 minutes.
It's easy.
Goes up, man. 5 minutes average view duration. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
So we need to get to 240k.
No, we need to get to
500.
580.
So if we
500k
Okay.
AUD. So aim for, if we're an ICO, basically 500k Aussie, which should be like our break even. Like that means you can operate full time.
You know what I reckon is like that, you know how those ideas around like free swaps and stuff, it's like generate the volume for the ICO to look juicy,
Yeah.
but you're not even making any revenue because it's a free swap.
Yeah.
But it looks like you've done $1 million in volume, but you're not actually making anything off of it.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to look into that.
Yeah, and that's like how. But also, if we could just get an array of apps and they're all doing like a little bit of volume, it could add up to a larger sum, you know? Our portfolio of apps as a team could be generating $1 million of volume a month.
I reckon if we had 1 mil like collateral with that yield, that would cover like you plus like a whole team of like
Oh, dude.
Filipinos. Like,
Oh, yeah. We could do like...
full marketing.
Yeah. 100%. We could outsource the entire team.
Yeah.
I'm wondering what like the best country to outsource would be. Like I'm used to Philippines, but I'm hearing like India is pretty good these days as well. see if this works. Can we have the users connected main wallet? Main wallet. Yeah, I'm about to put this into the. Can we have the users connected main wallet as the default automatic selected wallet to withdraw to? So for example, for the embedded wallet account, the main wallet is which we would want to show. Drew said, if you ever want to make apps, I'd be down to develop, $. Yeah, man. If you ever need a helping hand, I'll reach out. We know you make some cool websites. What's your going rate? Or do you not want to say? Is that a negotiation thing that you talk about later, or have you just got like a flat fee? Man, it's so annoying. My Helios cancelled my membership because I was in support. They were about to charge me $500 US for the membership, which was the previous month. I used that because we were getting a lot of traction, but I didn't need that this month. And they were about to charge me $500 when I need to downgrade to the $50 membership. So I told support to cancel it, and they cancelled it. But for 4 hours, my app wasn't working, and now all the current miners that were using it aren't mining anymore. It's annoying.
Fuck's sake.
Because no one checks that shit until later. Swap failed again.
So when you get failures like that and you haven't troubleshoot, does it tell you why it failed? Or do you have to keep telling it to fix it?
It does in the sometimes in the console it will show.
Yeah. And
I just copy it and show.
You just go fix this.
Yeah. Done. I've updated the legislator to join defaults to your main wallet. Okay. Make it visible. It's not very straightforward. Link I sent you is more what you're looking for rather than websites. Yo, we got another viewer. What up? What up? Let me know if you got any questions, man. Just currently working on a prediction market Tinder style app where you can basically get fed a bunch of different prediction markets, and you can swipe left for no, right for yes, or you can just swipe down to skip. I feel like prediction markets are blowing up these days, generating hundreds of millions of dollars in volume daily. So even if you get 1%, that's a lot of money. Just trying to get a tiny piece of the pie. Let's try this again. Still not showing the default wallet.
What were some of the ideas we had for the differentiated launch of the ICO?
It was the unruggable ICO, where maybe after a few months, I actually got this from an NFT launch idea recently, where basically after like 3 months, if their collection was worth less than what they were selling it for, they refund all the money.
Right. Okay.
That was their idea, which it worked well. They were able to raise a bit of money. Having trouble setting up withdrawals, copying and pasting the Replit chat into here. Help create a .md file. .md. Oh shit, did I get rid of chat? It does. You are a help me debug my withdrawal system. I am going to send through screenshots and copy paste our chat history. Paste these. Send this screenshot. Let's see if that can help. Okay, let's see. Let's copy this into a Replit. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Fix withdrawal UX. Auto select external wallet connect context for debugging withdrawal mode. Goal: when a user clicks withdraw, the destination address should automatically default to their connected external wallet, not the embedded privy wallet. The issue: the current implementation isn't reliably finding the external wallet, and the UI is just a confusing text input. It is not obvious to the user where the money is going. Fix the wallet detection logic. Please update for a moment to find a default address like this. Okay, cool. Let's see if that works. see if this works. No Solana wallet connected. Getting pop up error swap failed. No Solana wallet did sign in with the wallet with external wallet. However, no transaction sent, so it feels like confusing UX. Please debug. Let's see if the withdrawal works. A, pick the wallet correctly. Now let's see if this works. Transaction complete. Yo, it worked. Alright, we got the withdrawal working. So I'm gonna enter my wallet. Is it going to come into? Yes. Let's go. We have an app that deposits and withdraws now.
Okay.
We actually, the main thing that I'm scared to test is the actual betting part. I feel like that's going to be the hardest thing to debug. How's your marketing reach within the org community? What if we built a product and shared yield? I'd say my marketing reach is pretty good. I've basically just been scheduling posts every single day for the last month or two. Gotten pretty connected with the community. I'd say I'm one of the main, community member, spokesperson people. So yeah, just kind of creating content around there. I don't really want to focus on all that much anymore. I feel like I've kind of got my bet in there now. I was even telling Tubes because he wanted to kind of collab on something together, and I don't know, I just feel like I've already got my, bet on the ore community and the project. So, if it does well, sweet, I've got my ore miner generating revenue. But, I kind of want to plant my seeds and eggs in different baskets now. So that's why I'm trying out prediction markets. Just feel it's a different market, see how things go. Yeah. I think the key is just to be, a really vocal community member especially with these more niche kind of crypto projects. I'm not sure how familiar you are with Web3, Drew, but yeah, the key is just to be super, as authentic as possible, because there's a lot of scams in crypto, so people will need to be able to trust you. One of the best ways you can do that is to show your face, because 95% of people in crypto don't even show their face, so you can really stand out by just doing that one thing alone. But yeah, let me know if you have any other questions or want some pointers around that. Auto swap now and triggers for embedded wallets, external wallets. Changes made. Auto swap now only triggers for embedded wallets. External wallets manage their own funds, so they don't need the sole USDC auto conversion. Silently returns when no embedded wallet, no Solana wallet connected error pops up. Preventing confusion messaging. Okay. Now, if we were to deposit some Solana it should automatically swap into USDC, which is what is used within our application. So let's see if that feature works. And if this feature works, then we should be able to place our first bet. Continue. Okay. The transaction setting. This domain is new. Only proceed if you trust this site. Okay. It's not the best thing to see when you're connecting a Phantom wallet. Should go away though, because I think I had the same thing with AllMiner.
I think there's ways to, like, you have to submit it somewhere. Or...
Yeah, probably. 3 concurrent viewers right now. What up, everyone? Feel free to chat if you have any questions. Shubs' time is very, very valuable, so you know, if you have any questions for him, do go ahead. Okay, so we got the transaction coming in. So the deposit worked, but the withdrawal, the swap did not work now. So let's see. Let me go to here and debug it. You are a professional coder giving me advice on my life. Help me debug my deposit system. I'm going to send. Where when a user deposits Solana, help me debug my deposit system where when a user deposits Solana, they auto convert into USDC with a little left over for gas fees. Currently, the feature is not working. Help give suggestions on how it can tackle the debug and issues. We have come up with a dynamic with deposit system, leaving where last time it was a flat zip to solve. We found an issue where users deposited small amounts. Zip 5 would get half their funds converted into gas, which didn't make sense.
How you going over there? Yeah. You should writing a fat
Prompt or?
like a mega prompt.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm gonna upload
One shot prompt.
I'm gonna upload all our whiteboard stuff, and then all my notes, giving it like much more context, and I'm gonna output like a bunch of like stuff.
And how are you gonna tell it to like format it like as a white paper or a document? Like, what are you thinking? Is it like an internal document or an external document?
It'll start as an internal,
Okay.
and then we'll use it to create a white paper later.
Okay.
You can treat it as an internal white paper basically,
Yeah.
until it's actually like we're happy to take it public.
Okay. Let's show this. Debug and fix auto swap and deposit logic context. I'm looking on the crypto trader profile. This means the auto convert feature failed to trigger. It was supposed to detect this deposit, keep a small gas fee, and swap the rest to USDC automatically. We need to debug why the use auto deposit hook is ignoring this balance. We also need to confirm the dynamic gas math is implemented correctly so it doesn't drain small wallets. Add loud debug logging. Please update the auto swap hook to print the following logs to the console so I can see what is happening. Verify dynamic gas logic. Check the calculation logic. It should follow this rule to prevent the high fee issue we faced earlier. The auto swap only triggers on new deposits, not on existing balances. That's, yeah, okay. Now let me also. Okay. I can see the debug logs now. The swap is triggering correctly without an error. This means the embedded wallet isn't being found. The wallet's away from privy. Add more logging to see where it's in the wallet's array. F12. Interesting. The debug output will show us exactly what's happening based on the previous logs. The swap is triggering but returning success false because the privy embedded wallet wasn't found in the wallet's array yet. This is likely a timing issue where the wallet isn't fully initialized when the swap tries to run. Alright, let's try to do this again then. Withdraw. Withdrawal should work. Transaction complete. Okay. Now let's try and debug. Deposit. I want to test the pay with card function as well, actually. See if that works. Okay, transaction is going through. Success, you successfully added 0.08 SOL, converting SOL to USDC for betting. Come on, come on, come on. Did it work? No embedded previews. May not need to wait for what. Let me put this here. Issue. This is preview docs. It helps. Give me a dot md. See, this works.
initially to acquire the user.
Yeah.
But you know, over time, we're going to make money off their usage. But to do that,
That's
we actually
true.
need a good product.
No, exactly. Yeah.
So
It's hard. Ideally, you don't want to do that, unless you have to. But the other thing with that is like teams that are well funded do that as well. You know. Let's see if this works. Swap failed.
dude, how did never mind.
Convert button into UI because if done correctly, the backend users will not need to do this.
I didn't even get a photo of fucking this thing. Was Saya here?
No,
Who wrote you gay?
that was Jess.
Oh. What does she think of all this?
Sunny. I don't really like talk to her about it, to be honest.
Does she look at it?
Yeah, but like
She
she
doesn't
doesn't really. She doesn't really understand it. Nah.
Such
I mean, I tell her sometimes, but.
such a nesty. She's just like random crypto shit, and every now and then puts
Yeah.
money. But then every now and then I'll be like, I lost money. So like, she's like, only here's the lost money.
Yeah.
part.
True. That's so
It's
true.
Like, sometimes you tell me made money, other times you tell me lost money. Don't know what's going on. I'm like, babe, fucking trust me.
I know.
I'm planning our retirement.
Still getting this pop up, bro. Even though. Couple minutes. I haven't done. Should. dupe to swap API. V6 swap API. Yeah, feel free to make anything.
I want to get through this chunk first.
Yeah, same.
How the views going?
Yeah, good. We're on 2 right now.
What's the shit mom said?
She sent some random shit there.
Like, what the fuck is this?
Like, what makes her think, oh, I'm gonna
Yeah.
send that to them?
Actually. She needs fucking other friends to send that shit to.
I know, right? Actually, though. Let me check. I see the issues. The auto swap keeps retrying and showing error notifications. So it's fetch might need the node fetch package. Okay.
What was this fee here? 0.1, 0.5, 0.5.
I was thinking it was like a dynamic fee system where maybe it's like less for initiating the bet and then more for when they sell and withdraw.
Yeah. But it comes out to an average 1% on volume.
Yeah.
Because like the volume is like when they
buying,
withdraw
selling,
or sell,
and withdrawing. Yeah.
it's 1%, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we can just
Let's see if this swap works now then. Okay. Withdrawal working. Fine. Deposit. Okay. Deposited. Okay. Converting. Come on. Damn it. API not working or something? Okay, let's see how this goes. Man, I've been using Gemini just to debug everything now.
Mm.
I literally just copy everything into Gemini.
That's so funny because you're stuck in Replit.
Yeah. And just turn it into Replit. Works alright.
Yeah.
Now which is cool as longer. Actually, you know what I'll do? Oh, this is so much better. Fix the...
Yeah, your table's a bit too like I can't work like that. You know.
I was hurting my back. Fix the infinite retro. Let's try it now. Withdraw. So, well, at least we know the withdrawal works really well because fuck, had to do it like 10 times. the deposit work? No. Let's try. Let me see if this works. Please work. Please work. Please work. Please work. Please work. Please
Let's
work.
say this is the mega prompt. This is where the Gemini just does its fucking magic. You literally I spent like, what, fucking 1.5 hours just then, working on a single fucking prompt.
Yeah.
But that 1.5 hours is gonna like
Save time.
save me the entire fucking day's
Yeah.
worth of effort, you know? Because there wasn't anywhere near enough context just off like a whiteboard photo of like all the chat we'd done.
Debug. This was way better.
Here we go.
Okay.
Dude, it even came up with a mission for us based on all the notes.
Mission
You wanna
statement.
hear it?
Yeah, go.
To build a sustainable, yield-generating venture studio that fuses high-utility DeFi products with a high-engagement entertainment brand.
Ooh,
It's
I like
fucking
that.
not bad, eh? It kind
I
of
like
like
that.
it's taken all these
Yeah.
concepts and just
Yeah. I like that.
dude. The number one thing, I almost feel like it should be like a core requirement for our ICO launch, is that we have one product that's like
Generating revenue.
that's generating revenue and like growing and doing well.
Yeah. Well, that's
At like the core, and then we can be like, alright, let's fucking.
yeah. No, I agree.
'Cause we
Well,
get that,
that's
it's
kind of how
really
we
hard.
did the full circle thing, right? Where we were like, we don't need a product, and then we were like, oh, hang on, we kind of do.
kept on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were like, no product is the product.
And I think the crypto market is getting smarter, man. Like, they're realizing, like, especially like the recent Tensor acquisition and stuff, and they're realizing like the token doesn't have value
100%.
unless.
It's just made up shit.
Yeah.
But that's why people like
Meta?
that bank one,
Avicii?
Avicii, because that's actually like supposedly an
Legit?
ownership coin. Like by having the Avicii token, you actually own part
So
of the Avicii.
that would mean that if they got acquired, that the token holders would need to get a payout.
Supposedly, yeah.
Yeah. That would be interesting. I don't know if that's ever happened in
Avicii
crypto.
had a mad dump.
I actually
Insane.
sold my Avicii at the pump. I sold it at like $7 or $8.
Really? Fuck, well done, bro.
But then I converted it into
730.
Umbra, which also dumped.
Bruh,
Good
at
time to buy.
730. Fucking at 730, I had $2,000 in Avicii.
Dude.
And now I got 680. Fucking crazy. Bro, just need to make a rule, like, anytime I buy anything and it fucking pumps,
Just sell it.
just fucking sell it, because it'll always mean revert.
Or even just 50% sell.
Yeah.
I think that's a good rule.
I think honestly the thing is it's pumping, but I'm not even like watching it that closely because I'm doing other shit.
No, that's fair.
So it's not like I'm just sitting here analysing and making that decision.
Yeah. No, that's true.
Oh, I like this. Kind of you know how we've got this whole unruggable ICO concept?
Yeah.
The idea is that like that treasury and using the yield is funding our forever operations. So we're kind of guaranteeing that we will never go out of business because we have the collateral from the ICO that's going to fund our stuff with the yield. So we're kind of saying like we can never like fail basically unless we were all to just stop working.
True.
It's kind of an interesting, you know, we've talked about the unruggable ICO. This kind of feels like
Connected.
you know, we're creating this thing that can just pump out fucking products and like keep trying shit until something fucking
sticks.
works.
Yeah.
And it'll just do that forever.
Never gotten that big of an error before. It's a new update.
I've seen stories here and there of people Vibecoding and like some error pops up and they have to like the system has to like redo the whole fucking app or something to
Dude, I had that issue.
Some intense thing and it ends up costing them
I full had that issue when I was trying to go clubbing with Zach and Addy.
Thing is, it's like, doesn't it warn you before it's about to use a shit ton of tokens?
Nah.
It just does it, it's invisible.
I mean, you got settings here on like how much it can use, but it doesn't warn you if it's going to break the app when it does something.
I don't know. I feel like I would honestly just fucking switch to Google. You just know it's going to be better at their size.
Yeah. I mean, I did try Google Gemini and I actually switched back to Replit initially.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I think Replit.
I think maybe Replit's more beginner friendly.
Yeah. Well, Google was actually messing up. I did it specifically for my doobie.work website. I was trying Google and it wasn't coming with the output. I noticed I couldn't upload images. That's what was actually annoying.
Okay. Frank made a tweet the other day. Let me just show it to you. Yeah, look. He was literally like, download cursor, open project maker folder, maximize the chat, remove all mental filters and just yap to it about any ideas you have. Usually whatever you're making doesn't get interesting until like 20 to 30 minutes in of constant feedback. Just get reps. Keep fucking doing it. So, just watch this.
What are you saying? Oh, and you released a video as well.
Yeah. So,
you should send me that.
He's literally saying just fucking talk to it.
Yeah.
You shouldn't even have to type. It's like slowing down.
Interesting.
You just yap to it. Make me a website. Or maybe he means by yap, he means like type, but...
I mean, you can talk to it. I don't think Replit has that feature, but I know Cursor definitely does.
Did I tell you what I did the other day with Gemini and the contract?
What'd you do? I know you did, yeah.
That
Are
honestly blew my mind. I was like, fuck. The fact that I can do that changes things. Yeah, but Cursor is actually what our dev team uses.
Yeah, right.
So it's interesting that Frank's... I hadn't connected it that you could use Cursor as like a non-dev.
Well, I've been watching videos,
yeah,
and people are suggesting that Cursor is more of a dev-heavy, complex tool.
Yeah.
Like on the spectrum, it would be on the higher end of complexity compared to like Replit and stuff. Because I've been looking at, but all the devs are turning me off Cursor because they're telling me it's not for a non-dev. I'm assuming Frank's got a bit of dev knowledge.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I didn't think he was that techie.
He should a little bit, I reckon.
This is done like a full in-depth breakdown.
I actually want to look at the prompt
What prompt?
that you gave it. Do you want to send it to me?
Have a read. I did it in the same chat that I used for the other contract thing, so that it had the context, but I just brain dumped a bit. Dude, these Pulse guys are doing fucking buy one get one free.
No way. Yeah.
Xmas big one at checkout.
Dude, that would have been good.
If you wanted to fucking get one,
I mean,
I don't know what
I
you
don't know
do
what
to
I do with too. Yeah.
give one to fucking Jess.
How much is it?
Jess. Or
$100,
something.
$200.
Well, they updated their website too. At least they're fucking doing stuff. They have been rolling out updates though, which is good. But as if there's no buy button.
You know what actually makes a company?
$250 US.
You know what makes a company stand out in crypto? If they sell a physical product.
Oh yeah. That's why I was interested in, because I was like, oh.
Like the competition for physical products is pretty low.
Mm.
You get like a AliExpress heart rate checker. What if it was like a store of value on Solana, but it's purely powered through bit axes. But it's like our own branded one.
What do you mean?
And it can only go to one person that runs the bit axe. And then we sell that GPU power to whoever wants it.
Go again.
So you have like a store of value on Solana, and we sell our own physical product, which is basically a bit axe, but we brand it our own thing. And maybe it's like every block or whatever that's mine goes to a single bit axe user, and all that GPU power that we get, we just sell it to whoever wants it.
I feel like it's the LST thing, like ML Sol, like our LST Ponzi thing, but just with a physical device instead.
Which makes people look. Like you just said, you literally started looking into them because of that physical product. We had a sleek designed one.
But people will look and they'll be like, this is just a bit axe fucking done this. It's a Ponzi. You know how people are just like fucking sleuths on...
I'm sure people might even look at their watch and be like, dude, this is like a replica of the $30 version that Thingo makes, you know? It's like a small group of people. No, I just feel like the physical product, it's like... It's almost like if you wanted to go down the physical product route, you'd just do a crypto physical product. Because a gadget instantly makes you stand out, hey? Do some sick AI shots of it.
See this?
Yo.
So this is like Gemini's canvas mode.
Okay.
So I activated that here, and now when I prompt it and it generates an output, it actually puts it in like this, and I can tweak and edit it, but I can still prompt it at the same time.
Cool.
And then from here, I can actually export to docs.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. I think I'm finally about to fix this freaking conversion error. Conversion completed.
Yeah, I'm thinking make some fried eggs,
Yeah, go for it.
and then we should actually run through this together,
Alright.
and then I'll move more into like execution.
Okay.
Maybe setting up profiles or whatever the next step.
Okay.
Is it gonna charge? Yes. Is your charger here?
You can charge it here. I've got cords.
What?
Just use one of those coming out of my thing, the monitor.
Any?
Not that
Yes.
one. There should be one free, no?
There's no free cable.
Oh, just use the one on the phone. The phone's fully charged now.
How good's the fucking monitor, dude?
Dude,
It just acts as this like base.
I know. It's so good.
It just powers it. You're gonna want an egg, so I'm just gonna make a few.
I'm good.
You're actually not gonna have a single one.
Yeah, I had
As soon as I make it, you're gonna come around.
Nah, because I had scrambled eggs. Check the dishwasher. That's where my dishes are.
Are they clean?
Yeah.
Do you have a fry pan?
Yeah, we got the one that we used last time. Should be somewhere. Is it not in the dishwasher? It's got to be in that cupboard you just opened then.
Not in here either. Oh,
Should be.
no.
Those are the only two. Oh, it's probably in the sink. I haven't washed it since we cooked the steak.
What the bro?
Hey, if you wanna just use the pot in the dishwasher,
Yeah.
make like a If you do boiled eggs, I'll have some.
Boiled eggs?
Yeah.
Yeah, that could be alright.
I'll have
Yeah,
like,
that's easier.
I'll have 2.
2?
Yeah.
Ooh, you got some black cheese.
Whoa, bro. The thing
Bro,
almost,
the way you're storing.
thing almost fell. Oh, one of those eggs is cracked, by the way. The one in the far corner is cracked.
The way you're living your life cracks me up sometimes. You're still trying to figure shit out, like. Man. Have you been having this one?
Actually, I haven't had it since.
Fucking good.
Okay, let's see. The withdrawal.
Man, I got a client right now that's just pissing me the fuck off. That's the thing that was tying me up this morning. I was like, I'm gonna send him an
What's
email.
happening?
That we're on a fucking 8K a month retainer with them, right?
Okay.
They signed a contract committing to 6 months, right?
Okay.
In writing, signed everything.
Yeah.
And then 2 months in, they're like, oh, we want to cancel.
Okay.
And we're like, well, obviously you have a contract with us for 6 months, but we understand, here's a 30-day notice. So we're kind of saying, we'll let you cancel, but you have to give us 30 days notice, which means we have one more invoice that goes out.
Okay.
But when they cancelled, they also said, we want you to stop all advertising spend, like, immediately. As well.
Yeah, right.
Right? So we stopped all advertising spend immediately when they asked for it, and then we told them 30-day notice to, and now they're coming back going, why are we paying so much when we said just stop the advertising spend immediately, which means you guys aren't working on it if the advertising spend's not going out. So why are we paying the final this much money, right?
Yeah. So what'd you say?
Well, I'm like, I haven't responded yet. That's the last thing she just sent me.
Just then?
Yeah.
Oh fuck.
This lady's a fucking bitch. But I'm literally like, bro, you owe me 24K and I'm saying you don't have to give me that and give me 8K.
Yeah.
And she's bitch, like
Yeah.
questioning it. Like,
Yeah.
doesn't know how fucking business works.
Yeah.
Like, I just want to come back and be like, would you prefer we just enforce asking for the full amount that you contractually said
Yeah.
you'd fucking pay us?
So
or
what?
Would you rather?
I mean, let's say like there's a customer that like says they'll do 6 months with you, but then they're not happy with your service and they want to cancel early. What would you do in that case?
In almost every scenario, we just go, yep, whatever, 30 days. We'll have, in that next 30-day period, the final invoice we have will send out, and then that's it. They pay that, and then we close it out.
Okay.
So at least because in some cases we might have like put more effort in
At the start to
at
go.
the start,
Yeah.
right? But they don't fucking.
No, that's true. Yeah.
They don't fucking.
How many months have they worked with you guys?
It was an initial 6 months, and then they renewed for another 6.
Oh, okay. So they were happy then.
Yeah, and then 2 months in out of nowhere, they're just like being all cheeky and shit.
Yeah, weird.
But these guys are fucking retards, honestly. They're not that from the beginning.
Yeah. Okay.
Do you want 2 eggs?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do 3 then.
You could boil the water from the pot and then pour it in. It's usually faster.
Already this. Would it be faster?
That's usually how I do it, but
Uh,
that works.
they don't turn this shit on.
The bottom left is the fastest one, by the way. Hey, did you turn on the
It
boiling?
says P0 and it's on the full amount.
Yeah, what's making that noise?
The boiling thing.
Wait,
Yeah.
so you did boil it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I bought some. Just whatever's there.
Oh, bro, that's not gonna do shit.
Nah, it's thick.
Maybe I'll end the stream and we just have lunch.
Wait, do you want me to just do them all except for the crackle?
How many is left?
There's 6.
Oh yeah.